Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be doing the front brakes on this 2021 Toyota RAV4. So let's get this thing up in the air and the wheels popped off. To get the wheel taken off, you got a 14 here and a 14 down here that you need to pop off. Once you get the caliper off, you're going to need to compress this cylinder back in. You can use this compression tool. I use these. These inners of these brakes were pretty bad. You could change out the hardware. These are in good shape still for the hardware, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna change the pads out. Put it together. Throw that wheel back on. And just like that, got them brakes on pretty quickly. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in some of those other videos.